All right, hope you guys had a chance to work that out. So I asked you to go to page 365 and do number 20. All right, it's a janitorial service. That's a franchise that you bought into. And your manager, your accountant, tells you, hey, in 3 years, you're going to need $27,500 in equipment. And so you found an account that will give you 6% compounded monthly. How much do you need to put away now, the present value, in order to have $27,500 in 3 years? All right. So if we're using this formula, we know we need to figure out I, compounding period, or interest per compounding period. So that's 6% divided by 12. So that'll give us half a percent. All right, which we know is 0.005 as a decimal. We also need to know how many total compounding periods. 3 years monthly, 3 years times monthly. How many times a year? 36 total periods. So we know we need 27,000 divided by 1 plus I, 0.005 raised to the 36th power. All right, so that should give us 27,500 over 1.005 raised to the 36th power. And that should give us 1.005. I need to clear. So 1.005 raised to the 36th power gives us, all right, 27,500 all over 1.196680525. All right, so if we divide, that should be 27,500 divided by 1.196680, and that should equal $22,980.24. That was 0.235. The 5 makes the 3 round up to 4. So that is our present value. That's what we need to invest now at 6% compounded monthly for 3 years. Then I said, hey, assume inflation. So I'll make this part B. Assume inflation of, I believe I said 3%. All right. So if we need 27.5, right? But that is today's cost. How much will it inflate? So I know I said inflation was 3%. All right. Again, that's once a year, compounded yearly. So my I is going to be 3 divided by 1. So that's still 3%. I is still 3% or 0.03. And we know we were talking about 3 years. So 3 years times 1. So it's going to be N. So my future value, I need to know what that cost is in the future with inflation, is going to be the present value times 1 plus I raised to the N. So 27,500 times 1 plus I, which we said is 0.03, raised to the N through power. So we know that that equals 27,500 times 1.003, or I'm sorry, 03 raised to the third power. And that equals 1.03 raised to the third power. All right. So we know that that's 27,500 times 1.092727. Sorry, I'm running out of paper there. So if we multiply that times 27,500, that should give us $30,049.99. So that is the new future value. So if we take that in consideration now for our future value back up here, then the present value we need to put away one plus I raised to, I keep writing my 1 as a plus sign, I'm sorry. All right. So the new future value is $30,049.99. We also know from above that I, for this investment vehicle, was 0.5, so 0.005, and we know that N is 36. Okay, and so doing that math should give us 1.005 raised to the 36. So 1.005 raised to the 36 should give us 1.196680525. And if we do the division, $30,049.99 divided by 1.1966805.2, that equals $25,111.12. All right. So we went from, let's see, putting away, is that correct? Oh, yeah. Yep. Because of the inflation, we now have to put away $25,111.12 instead of the 22. All right. So that's good to know now, so that when you get to the point, if we just did this and we assumed 27,000, and by the time we got to do it, it's really 30,000. Yeah, we'd be short by just short of $3,000, and we'd have to come up with an extra $3,000. But if we invest now, all right, this was almost 23, so it's just a little over 2,000 that we would have to come up with now to save us the extra 3,000 later. Okay, so we do need to take the inflation into account. All right. For homework, I'm just going to give you some practice problems to do for today. And then for Wednesday, we're going to go to Chapter 12. And again, in Chapter 11, we were talking about lump sum. So the present value was always in a lump sum. But we don't always have lump sums to invest. So in Chapter 12, we're going to talk about something called annuities. And the primary definition of an annuity is equal payments over equal amounts of time. All right, so this is another vehicle of compounding that we will talk about in Chapter 12. So go ahead and look at the homework assignment for the week. And this is all for the video lessons. I hope you're having a great day. I miss you guys, and we will talk soon. Thank you very much, and have a great day.